Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, taking you around an empty 4-bedroom detached property. This is the prospect from Mandale Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in Leeds. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living room, kitchen with dining space and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with a study and a common family bathroom. And on the second floor you have a master bedroom with ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious and lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living, kitchen, dining and also the first floor. So let's explore the living room, which is coming towards the front end. As you can see, it's a very lengthy living room, and also because you don't have the furniture in it, it looks more spacious. But again, you can make out how big the size is. So a very decent living room with good space. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and also a TV set. And towards the front end, you have a very wide bay window. So plenty of natural light falling in this living room. So this was the living room. Now let's move towards the other rooms in this property. So just behind this living room, you're getting the kitchen and the dining space. So walking towards the kitchen and dining, which are coming at the back. Beautiful kitchen with plenty of light. As you can see, they have given 2 patio doors, which is a very rare feature. Also in the middle, you get this worktop with the wash basin fitted in. You also have the inbuilt cupboards, fridge, freezer and double oven coming in all these properties. So the first they gave the cupboards, and beside it you have the oven, and also towards the corner you have your fridge and freezer. So this is all inbuilt and it's included in the price. You also have the upgraded version of this electric cooking in all their models, and I did like the feature, the backsplash they gave the tiles, and they gave the tiles for the entire wall, which is really a good feature. And you have plenty of cupboards at the bottom and even on the top. Show home kitchens are very attractive and always well maintained. We can actually get plenty of ideas how to keep our kitchen and design them. But would you really like to have the wash basin fitted in the center of the kitchen like this, or would you like it to have fitted in some corner space? Give me your feedback in the comment section. So at the bottom of this worktop, you're getting the space for the washing machine, dryer and also the dishwasher. So this was the kitchen, and you also get a nice garden behind it. So just as you come out of the kitchen, towards your right side you have the washroom here in the ground floor. It's a decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a nice window towards one side. They also gave the mains here in this washroom. So we covered all the rooms here in the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor and check out the rooms there. Now on the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with a study and a common family bathroom. So first exploring the first bedroom of the house. Now it's a double bedroom, as you can see. You can easily plan a double cot or a king size bed, and there is really good space to walk around. And towards one side you're getting a wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. Towards the other side, if you want, you can also plan the wardrobes, so the space is really good. Now beside this, you're getting the second bedroom of the house. This is comparatively smaller than the first bedroom which we have seen. Because of some kind of projection coming towards the front end, the space is smaller. Also, the window size is smaller than the one which we have seen in the first bedroom. If you still want, you can plan a single cot for kids and use this room, or you can also use it as an office space. It's up to you. And towards the other side, you are getting other two rooms. So one is a bedroom and this is the study. So you can plan it as an office space as they have done it. Now this is the third bedroom. Again, the space is comparatively smaller than the first bedroom which we have seen. You can plan a single cot, I believe, and you can walk around. The window size is bigger, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. Now let's check out the family bathroom, which is coming here on the first floor. I really liked this bathroom. It's quite spacious and well designed. Towards the corner they gave the bathtub, in the middle you have the sink, water closet, and you also have the shower cubicle towards the other end. So everything has got its own space and still you have place to walk around, which is a good thing. And it's a fully tiled bathroom. You're getting a window, so there's natural ventilation. Let's also check out another small storage space wherein you're getting the water heater. There's some extra space in this area. If you want, you can plan some kind of storage. You also have the door and lock for this. Now moving towards the second floor of the house. On the second floor we have the master bedroom with the ensuite. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's quite wide and spacious, as you can see, and plenty of natural light falling in this room. They gave ceiling windows here, so this is a common feature for these kind of properties, especially when you have two floors. So for some reason they actually gave a wall partition in this bedroom. So towards this side you can use as a bed space. You can plan a king size bed and still you'll get a decent space to walk around. And towards the other side, if you want, you can plan the wardrobes and use it as the changing space. Again, it's totally up to you. Towards the front here, you're getting a small storage space, so you can plan something inside the space. They gave a door and lock. Towards the front you have this attached bath. The space is quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a window, a ceiling window, so plenty of natural light falling in this bathroom. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with good space and style. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.